Welcome. In front of me I have REALME GT, and today I'll show you how you can switch on this smartphone. So as you can see, all we have to do, we have to click and hold power key that's located on the right edge. So let's make it right now. Holding that button. And when you feel vibration, you will get REALME logo, and after that you can just release that key, and after that your smartphone will be turned on. Right now I'm going to plug charger because I have low battery and I have to charge that smartphone. And there's the animation of the screen when you turn on your device, and basically that's how you can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.